Photoshop CC 2015.5 video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can use a smart object, and this is a smart object I've imported into Photoshop, just a smart object, and how you can use it with the face aware detection feature that comes in the liquify plugin. Now, first thing to do, just go over to the filter, and you can see liquify there. Select that, and you'll see it detects it as a face. You've got all the various controls for modifying, so you can just modify the face there. Just increase that and change the height there, maybe make it smile a bit. And it's only one face, so it's got face option there, face 1. And you also can modify it if you want over here via the eye size. So you can just tweak the eye like that. Push it too far, you obviously get change, make it a bit smaller, just crease there. Okay, just going to do that. So you can change it, and you can also modify height there, move that up and down. And also what you can do, pin edges, that's quite a useful one. Actually, that's not on by default, but just set that on. You can see you can move that. Now, click OK. Right, the good thing about smart filters is that you can remove it. So you've got this change. Perhaps you don't want that. You can just go there, put it back to what it was before. But you think, right, well, I'm going to go to liquify again. So now, liquify, and I'm just going to do a few other tweaks. Just change that, Maybe this time change the nose, move that up and down, move that, and again, click OK. And you've got another face, obviously imaged, but then I don't want that one again. So I can just go liquify, I can move it, put it back. This is the great thing about smart filters, you can just get rid of them. But next thing, I'm just going to quickly do some other changes. And I'm not going to do obviously a lot I could do. Now, the whole point of this is you can actually use it maybe to create a very short video, but you could, with time, create a quick video by doing these subtle changes. Or maybe if you want to demonstrate to a client, you know, a whole range of different faces, you don't want to obviously demonstrate it at the time, you can store them all very nicely as a smart object, smart filters attached, and you can just do these subtle changes and then click OK again, and again you've got that one there. So you can remove it very quickly as well. But now what you can do, of course, you can just go liquify and it will change, liquify, it will change, and liquify, it will change again. So you can just run through various liquefiers. Now, you can also, of course, accumulate. So it's got there and liquify. And of course, you can add other effects as well. So you can make some really extreme images. You can have 1 or 2, you don't have to. And of course, you can still just double click on that. And time will come up with the blend option. So you've got that. Or you can just click there and it will eventually bring it up. Yep, you can actually modify this. So, sorry, you can actually tweak that. Click OK, and you've got the changes. And it's all stored in these smart filters, smart objects, which can be saved with the image. So it's a real great way of just accumulating maybe a whole range of different designs in one sort of smart filter, smart object. And of course, what you can do, you can also create that into a smart object as well, and also add other filters. I mean, there's a whole range of things, and you can obviously create this multiple times in many different ways, or maybe have different models. So you can maybe have another model there, just duplicate the whole smart object and change that. So what you can do, hold the Alt down and just have that, and you'll see you've got the liquify again, which you can then get rid of one, so you've got subtle changes again to the face. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.